Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. A major standoff is brewing between Depositors and the developers of the long-delayed Hellshire View housing development in Portmore, St. Catherine. Residents took to the streets on Sunday to vent their frustration after several missed deadlines. But as Kelesha Williams reports, the developers, Rite Solutions, said they have encountered several challenges since the project started.
Clad in black, a symbol of their struggle.
We are right here asking for homes. Our homes will pay money down. And right now, and Netflix, we're going to call, we're going to call Netflix, we're going to create a documentary. We talk about how long we pay down for our money, and we can't get no house.
These residents in Portmore, St. Catherine took to the streets for the second time in over a year. This, as they say, there is no end in sight for the completion of the Hellshire View housing development.
Honestly, for us to take back our deposits after 4 years, as you can see, all the other developments in Portmore, 40 million, 30 million. We take back 1.5, 1.7 now.
The project began in 2021 following an announcement by the Prime Minister in 2019. Still, the houses are only a shell of what was initially proposed.
I would have paid on 1.76 million, and they asked us to give that money within 5 days. 5 days. 5 days. Let's empty up my savings, everything. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. You're not mad? People can't pay them their money for so long and not give people them out. The people that meet with Andrew, Doctor, the Prime Minister, Andrew Wellness, and nothing to we are right again. So what kind of message is the Prime Minister sending to us, the people who are pay tax?
Need some answers, and we need them now. We are tired of the runaround. We are tired of the emails that go nowhere, asking for 2 more weeks, asking for another week, asking for another month. And still no conclusion whatsoever, no solution.
Since I've made my deposit, it's going to be my 4th year promising my kids that we're not going to put a Christmas tree in another rented property. And here we are again this year, 2026 ending. Rent house again.
Rite Solutions is the developer behind the project. The prospective homeowners point us to a few letters sent by the company to explain the reason for the delay. The latest letter sent on July 10 stressed that when the project started, the developers were confronted with additional challenges. That included additional excavation, the need for retaining walls, increase in rock content, and higher density of the rock than was previously advised. And as a result, there is need for additional financing, which would require the Housing Agency of Jamaica, their partner, to amend their previous agreement. Once that is completed, the developer said the units can be acquired within 6 to 8 months.
Even the blind man can't say that they're tough, right? So we never know who carry up this stuff. To assess the hardness of the rock.
What's next? We don't know. We want a solution. We want to know, are we going to get the houses? Are we going to move forward with the development? What's happening? We don't know. We just need answers. We need somebody to be honest with us, because right now everybody's just basically giving the wrong solutions, and we should wait, and I don't know, 2 more weeks, 3 more months, 3 more weeks, and it's been years.
In the meantime, one of the directors of Rite Solutions, Owen Campbell, affirmed all that was said in the July 10 letter. Additionally, he said while a geotechnical report was done prior to construction, it only showed a small percentage of rock cover and the density. As such, he told us the company has already spent $3 billion on the land, which is above budget. According to Mr. Campbell, the company is currently waiting on the HAJ to accept their new proposal to amend their agreement so that they can get additional funding. Kelesha Williams, TVJ News.